2,919 square meters along National Highway at 1,500 pesos per square meter, located in Corilla, Bohol, and near Tarsier Sanctuary and Tagbilaran City. Approximately 15 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. 15 minutos, 10 to 15 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So very close, guys. So this is the property along National Highway. It has 30 meters wide, 31 meters wide road frontage. So this is ideal for commercial or residential development. So it's a very nice property and very affordable. So near Tagbilaran City, very close. Okay, so you can use heavy equipment to make it flat terrain. Actually, guys, the property is like a hill. So mura siya og bungtod. It's like a hill, yeah, that one. So but it's not big hill. You can use a heavy equipment to push at the back portion, because the back portion of this property is already like a river, is like a swamp. So you can push back and level into the road, so you can plane, so like this one. So you can convert into a plain road or plain terrain. So see, water, electricity are available, signal, and very close to Tarsier Sanctuary, guys, no? So then this is also like a tourism road going to Mirror of the World and Chocolate Hills, river cruise in Lobok River. So see, this is really a good property for sale. Okay, 2,919 square meters for 1,500 pesos per square meter. Thank you.